Hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you for being here, checking out my YouTube channel. I will be practicing with you today alternate nostril breathing for beginners. So when you are ready, come and sit into your most comfortable cross-legged seated position. If Padmasana, lotus pose, it's available to you, you can always sit in Padmasana, or otherwise Siddhasana. Any of this, it's fine. Make sure you keep the spinal up and erect, shoulders relaxed all the time during the practice. And if any of this is not comfortable for you, you can always lean back against the wall and stretch the legs in front of you, or on a chair as well. It's okay. So when you are ready, you're going to bring your left hand in Chin Mudra. So you're turning your left palm upside down. If you are left-handed, just reverse all this process on the other side, okay? So extend your left arm outside on your left knee, maybe connecting big thumb with the index finger. Again, relaxing the body. And your right hand will come in Nasagra Mudra. Nasagra Mudra is index and middle finger coming at the Ajna chakra, third eye chakra, in between the eyebrows. Your big thumb will close your right nostril, and your ring finger will help you to close your left nostril. Again, if any of this is not available, you can just use any finger to close your nostril. So we're gonna start by closing our right nostril, inhaling and exhaling 5 times through the left nostril. At the end of the 5 times, you're gonna close the left nostril, and you're gonna inhale and exhale 5 times through the right nostril. At the end of that, you're gonna release both hands down in Chin Mudra if it's available, inhaling and exhaling 5 times through both nostrils. That makes 1 round of alternate nostril breathing. Also try to make your inhalation and exhalation equally longer. So let's say we are beginners. We're gonna try to inhale for 3 and exhale for 3. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. And then in time, the more you're going to practice, you will notice without any effort how your breath gets better, and then you will be able to inhale probably even for 10 and exhale for 10, okay? But let's try with 3 counts in, 3 counts out, 5 times left, 5 times right, releasing both hands, 5 times both nostril. You can practice this if you're a beginner 5 to 10 rounds, or extend the practice more than 10 minutes if you wish. Okay, when you are ready again, come into your most comfortable, either cross-leg, Padmasana, or Siddhasana, or chair, or wall, anything. Left hand Chin Mudra. Bring your right hand in Nasagra Mudra. Closing your eyes, relaxing, exhaling everything out. Close the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Inhale through the left. Exhale for 3. Inhale for 3. Exhale for 3. Inhale for 3. Exhale for 3. Inhale for 3. Exhale for 3. Close the left nostril. Move to the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through 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 the right. Release the right hand down, both nostril inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. And out. Inhale. And out. Inhale last round. Exhale. Again, close the right nostril. Inhale left. Exhale left. 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 Close the left nostril, moving to the right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. And again, closing the right nostril. Inhale left. Exhale left. 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 Closing left nostril, moving to the right nostril. Inhaling through the right. Exhale. Inhale through the right. Exhale. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Release the right hand down. Both nostril inhale. And out. 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 Again, closing right nostril. Inhaling through the left. Exhaling through the left. Inhaling through the left. Exhaling through the left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Close the left nostril. Inhale through the right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale right. Release the right hand down 5 times through both nostrils. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again, close the right nostril. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale. Close the left nostril. Open the right. Inhaling right. Exhaling right. Inhaling right. Exhaling right. Inhaling right. Exhaling right. Inhaling right. Exhaling right. Inhaling right. Exhaling. Release the right hand down, both nostrils. Inhale. And out. Inhale. And out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 5th and final round. Closing right nostril. Inhaling left. Exhaling left. Inhaling left, 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 exhaling left. Close the left nostril, inhale through the right. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release the right hand down. Inhaling both nostrils. Exhale. Inhale and out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Releasing. Take a moment here. Relax completely. And then slowly open your eyes. Knowing that you can increase the time of the inhalation or exhalation as long as you need. Also, the rounds of pranayama, you can do 3 to 5 if you're a beginner, but you can do about 10 rounds as well in time. I will read to you, there are some contraindication, not so many, just one. Do not practice if you are suffering cold, flu or fever. The benefits instead are many. So this pranayama increase awareness of and sensitivity to the breath in the nostrils. Minor blockages are removed and the flow of breath in both nostrils become more balanced. Breathing through the left nostril tends to activate the right brain hemisphere. Breathing through the right nostril activates the left hemisphere. The long, slow, balanced breathing has profound effects, calming and balancing the energies. So thank you so much for practicing this alternate nostril breathing with me today. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you. Namaste.